PSC പഠനമുറിയുടെ പുതിയൊരു ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ബാങ്ക് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സൊസൈറ്റി റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സുകളാണ്. അതുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുള്ള മോഡൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത്. ജൂനിയർ ക്ലർക്ക് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കാഷ്യർ എന്നീ തുടങ്ങിയ തസ്തികകളിലേക്കുള്ള മോഡൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് പറയുന്നത്. ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക, 40 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് വീതം മുൻപത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സുകളിൽ ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. ബാക്കിയുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് പറയുന്നത്. 81ാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം, ദ ഷെയർ ഓഫ് പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ഓഫ് എ കമ്പനി ഈസ് കോൾഡ് ഡിവിഡൻഡ്. The share of profit of a company is called dividend. Accounting standards are framed in India by ASB. Accounting standards are framed in India by ASB. The word debenture is derived from the Latin word debere. The word debenture is derived from the Latin word debere. AS7 deals with the contract account. AS7 deals with the contract account. Fixed asset is mentioned in as AS10. Fixed asset is mentioned in AS10. Fixed asset is mentioned in AS10. AS7 deals with the contract account. AS10 related with the fixed asset. 100% statement is also known as common size statement. 100% statement is also known as common size statement. Sinking fund and share premium of a company will be shown in the liability side of balance sheet. Sinking fund and share premium of a company will be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. The balance of a forfeiture share account is transferred to capital reserve. The balance of a forfeiture share account is transferred to capital reserve. Purchase of a building debited to purchase account is an error of principle. Purchase of building debited to purchase account is an error of principle. Purchase of a building debited to purchase account is an error of principle. Reserve invested outside the business is called reserve fund. Reserve invested outside the business is called reserve fund. The Communist Manifesto published in 1848. The Communist Manifesto published in 1848. Handex was organized in 1961. Handex was organized in 1961. IFFCO was registered under Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act. IFFCO was registered under Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act. Kriti Fest 2019. Kriti Fest 2019 was organized by SPCS. Kriti Fest 2019 was organized by SPCS. NAFED was established in 2nd October 1958. NAFED was established in 2nd October 1958. Mask was introduced in the year 1969 by KSCB. Mask was introduced in the year 1969 by KSCB. Mask was introduced in the year 1969 by KSCB. Non-overdue cover is a control measure put forward by NABARD. Non-overdue cover is a control measure put forward by NABARD. Kisan credit card was introduced in 1998. Kisan credit card was introduced in 1998. NCDC was established in 13 March 1963. NCDC was established in 13 March 1963. Registrar is appointed as the trustee of a debenture. Registrar is appointed as the trustee of a debenture. Government business transacted through RBI is managed under which section of RBI Act? Section 20. Government business transacted through RBI is managed under which section of RBI Act? Section 20. In which year the decimalization of a coinage done in India? 1957. In which year the decimalization of a coinage done in India? 1957. With effect from which date RBI implemented positive pay system for check? 1st January 2021. with effect from which date RBI implemented positive pay system for check? 1st January 2021. Which is the electronic authentication system introduced by RBI which will allow the customer to share the check details with their bank before the bank process it? Positive pay system, PPS. Which is the electronic authentication system introduced by RBI which will allow the customer to share the check details with their bank before the bank process it? Positive pay system, PPS. PPS ന്റെ പൂർണ്ണരൂപമാണ് പോസിറ്റീവ് പേ സിസ്റ്റം. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെൻറ്റ് രൂപത്തിലായിരിക്കും പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് വരുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഓരോന്നും വ്യക്തതയോടുകൂടി പഠിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Who undertakes the distribution of 1 rupee notes, coins, small coins, all over the country? RBI. Who undertakes the distribution of 1 rupee notes, coins, small coins all over the country? RBI. Grameen Bank introduced a credit system called Grameen General System, GGS, popularly known as Grameen 2. Grameen Bank introduced the credit system called Grameen General System, GGS, popularly known as Grameen 2. പുതിയ അറിവുകളുമായി അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കാണാം. എന്തെങ്കിലും അഭിപ്രായങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്താൻ മറക്കരുത്. നിങ്ങളുടെ കമൻറ്റുകളാണ് ഞങ്ങൾക്കുള്ള ഊർജം. എന്തെങ്കിലും മാറ്റങ്ങൾ വരുത്താനുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പറയണം. പുതിയ അറിവുകളുമായി അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കാണാം. നന്ദി.